me not sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there, yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana.
Good morning, guys. So my time is winding down and I'm having an allergic reaction, guys. And I won the lottery cash pot again last night. And then if I had bought my numbers today, I would have won again. Damn, all my numbers are playing. I can't believe it. Yesterday 12 played and I caught it for $10. And then today 18 played and I would have caught it for $10 because I'm not going more. But before I leave, I'm gonna buy big and see. Guys, we're gonna go dip in the salt water because I'm having an allergic reaction all over me. I woke up at 6:25. Did I buy 25? I hope I bought 25. And I went back to sleep and woke up at 8 something because I was so itchy. And now I'm breaking out. I can't itch. There's one here. And there's a big one, Mom says on my leg. I can feel it itching me, but I can't.
And you want to eat it again?
Craving, guys. I'm craving. Craving in the raven. I'm not gonna eat it again because I feel uncomfortable now. Everywhere's itching me. My skin just feels like not like itchy, but not like I'm itchy, but I feel like stuff is crawling on me. Does that make sense? Like it's itchy, but it's not like insanely itchy. Mom's right there. So we're gonna go dip and then I'm gonna bathe with the antibacterial soap.
A working girl. All me need in a life is a working girl. A working girl. I admire working girls. Working girls. Ha. She get up in the morning to get things ready. Plus in and she have a little baby. Educated, intelligent young lady. We're driving like a car from in the 80s. Everything done set because me have my money. But you want spend for your own money. Live alone, never share rent payment monthly. And if my fall for my face, she never catch me, my girl.
Guys, that's a guest house. If you guys want to stay in loose. Is this That's Junior's house. So if you guys want somewhere where to stay, that's where Junior resides. And this is Junior. He's the boss man of the house. Guys, we're at the beach. At the beach. Junior, be the tour guide. What are we looking at?
Oh, that's the field. Where we go and put the ball in the middle and we kick it and we shift it and we score it in that white thing there. That's the goal. When they score, they say goal.
And what's this blue building?
Oh, this blue building here is SDC building.
The what?
The SDC building.
What is it for?
Oh, I think I got a school over there.
Really?
Yeah, where you go and do subject and stuff like that, and after that maybe you get a work. That one over there, I don't quite remember that building, what that building's for, but that's a building, that's a office or something. I don't remember. I don't sure, but I know this part though.
Yeah?
This part is the SDC building.
And Junior, why is the grass so high?
Because nobody's cutting it. And they have no cow, no donkey, no goat to eat it. Maybe we're gonna have to tie the humans inside of it and make them eat the grass.
That's true. Nobody can play field goal.
Oh, welcome to Watson Taylor Park.
Watson Taylor?
Place where you go and bathe.
Bathe?
Not on the shower though, in the salt water.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I like these rocks. These are nice. You know they sell these in America? Yeah, they sell rocks in America.
We're going to get 2 of them when they're going up and bring them over and sell them and send them money from them.
It's a lot of money for these big rocks?
You gotta have a plane for it then.
Yeah.
bring a helicopter. Helicopter will take it overseas.
These are nice. This is what it looks like, guys. What is this white building?
Oh, that's the bathroom. But it doesn't finish as yet.
Oh, they just... Oh.
And this part here, this was the shower part, you go and rinse off. But these niggas, they mashed it up. And they stole all the pipe cocks.
Choo-choo?
They stole everything put up there.
What is y'all doing?
Alright, we are walking through a little chat now. There's some bush. That's a grape tree, but it's covered by bushes.
It's grape?
Yep, that's sea grape, but it's covered by bushes. No grape ready as yet, though. Oh, there's an almond tree. We call it the almond tree. Not almonds. You wait till it dry, you knock it, crack it, and you eat it.
Oh, there's no one here.
Oh yeah, there's somebody down here building up something.
Oh.
That's the best way to come to this beach when nobody is here, not a lot of people.
Me only need one chance, me only need one. Given that opportunity, cause me have ambition, yeah. Because you need one chance, we only need one. Given that opportunity, and you will see we big plan, boy.
Right now we need money in a bank book and belts with the man foot a roll up like one pants foot, yeah. We only need a verse shot and one hook and not effort. Man put some time on us, I can cook, yeah. Think I tell you through the door we need one. I know everybody I go like we, still we irie. Cause me no love likes. We do it for the love and I do it for the likes. Do it for the love and I do it for the likes. Do it for the love and I do it for the likes. Make them know success don't come overnight. Don't make them know substance over hype. Do it for the love and I do it for the likes. Enough of them love likes, not alright.
Guys, we're leaving the beach. We're leaving the beach. It was fun. The water was amazing. Here's the view.
Watch your words to a speak and attack with your bad mouth. Man shoulder for your friend. In a me chain ring. Bad mind is a sin. You need to be a deep. Dancers flip good than a leather. If you fight that, me picking out your feather. Don't bad mind my brother when him a go up the ladder. Money man up, you go get the cheddar. If you not like that, hold them there, hold them there, hold them there. Hold them there, fully back, hold them there.
Guys, got ice cream. Really? Okay, go. Guys, we're in Lucy. Here's mommy. We're in Lucy relaxing. I was gonna go to match with my cousin, but I can't bring my phone, so listen, I don't need to be there. I don't need to be there. We're in Lucy, guys. Hanging out, waiting for Auntie Leash. Oh, so you can go back and get your coconut chopped. Guys, I just drank a coconut. Did Madge eat it? Here's Madge, guys. You ate it?
You see, if him get a carrot and juicy feel, he mix it with coconut milk. But what kind of coconut milk? Gonna ingredient and juice. Nice.
He seemed humble.
Nice, yeah. They told the American Negro them build thatch house. Them into the bead, but him get this job, build the thatch house. And they like, at the hotel.
Nice.
That's good boy. Buy more food, guys.
Guys, we just got home. Here's mom.
Frozy.
Cooper just asked about you guys.
doing nice.
Leisha, didn't I just ask about Clover? I saw your brother and Lucy.
Oh, what is that?
What is that?
I charger?
Yeah, I can charge both of our phones at the same time. Clover,
Bye.
give me a hug.
Me I eat my front part of my food.
Clover, I was worried about you.
Alright, Marlon.
Clover.
Alright.
I don't know, you know what we talked about. I'm not gonna put your business out there.
Maybe you're busy.
No. Yeah, so I was worried. I said, you know.
Maybe you're busy, though?
No.
Clover,
Yeah.
here.
Leisha.
Hey. Ice cream. Is that tasty?
No.
Look at your front. Is that tasty?
No.
Eh? You want to see it?
No.
Eat when I cheese you pretty.
Leisha, no. That can't be good. Can't be good.
My sweet.
I cheat you
What?
with tonight.
Sweet?
My hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Clover, your hair grew.
Come here, Caroline. It's okay.
Sometimes we touch with the cold water.
I know, I can't stop. The hot water makes me sick.
I'm here to go back and say I'm going to cook.
Govon,
What's up, girl?
I thought you weren't coming.
If I can't have you, no one else can. Every time
Thank you.
I always move home back by my mother.
Clover. Oh, no.
And he will
Yeah,
call
I
me, he will
look
say
fine.
he's sorry.
You know,
So-
so you don't come here, you know.
Like a
You
female
love fear.
in Guyana.
You love beer?
Like I
You're gonna chop them for me?
Eh?
You're gonna chop them for me?
You don't want you,
Like drain them in the thing for me.
One of them.
I'm going to get them beer. They're nice enough.
What, look here. One of them squeezing. No, you eat, you know, they're not
give
people
it
right.
them, cleaning
They
the
don't want to
clothes,
see them.
washing the
I
clothes.
love beer, so you can't tap and buy beer
Gotta
for you.
save her.
It's your son's birthday tomorrow.
Yeah.
What are you getting him?
Eh?
What are you getting him?
What minute?
Get him.
They don't give him. They don't
Game. Wayo game.
Hello. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, children.
Yeah? That's it?
Okay, that them are going to be alright, eh?
I'm in Auntie's room. Here's Auntie. Fuck. What a nut. What a nut. Leisha, why are we at the match? Guys, I was going to go to a match. But you know what? I couldn't vlog. Couldn't bring my
You
phone.
never did there. I no film place.
So I didn't go.
I'm a friend place and a film place.
Oh,
We never did it.
I couldn't bring my camera. I couldn't bring my phone. It's in Montego Bay. So I said, you know what? Let me stay my ass. Let me stay. Let me stay here. Okay? Thank you to everyone that has been asking about the vlogs. Slimmas27. Shout out to you, girl. I just read your message. All right. Oh, hold on. Let me see if there's anybody I don't want you guys to see. Right here. Can you see your name? But shout out to you, girl. You just sent me a message. Oh, guys. Oh, guys.
Oh, God.
Leisha, can you not? Can you not? Huh? Huh? Huh?
Popo.
Leisha, a nut. Leisha! What was that? Oh.
Motherfuckers wanna test me. I'm a fucking baddest. I'll fuck you up.
Leisha, we went to the beach this morning. It was
It was
so washed everything.
water.
Everything. It was so nice. The water was nice, Leisha. It was so nice. They're fixing up out there. Nice. You know, I want some food. I'm hungry now.
Tower. Don't take my picture. Don't take my picture.
I know I'm taking your picture.
Come belly big. One chuck in there.
This your ass is big too.
One chuck in my belly. Oh, don't snap me. Don't snap me for me to snap your face. Let me see. Let me see, girl, for me slapping your face with something.
How's the food?
Which food?
I don't know if it's gonna be added. I wanna check my CD and see if I like it.
So if you never see this. Let me draws. Low piece of draws. Come turn off this piece of fuck.
You did it?
No.
Guys, we will see you later.
Bye.
Later will be greater.